What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video where we talk about using the pocket option broker to do binary options trading. Now, today we are going to talk about why and what could be making you lose when trading in the regular market hours. I'm also going to share a strategy that you can use during these times to hopefully bring you some more wins. If you are new to the channel, visiting for the first time, always take the time to look at the previous videos so you have an idea of what we've been talking about all this time. If you like what you see, then share a comment, hit that like button, and subscribe. And also consider getting started today by signing up with the Pocket Option Broker so you can begin a new talent as a day trader, pushing you closer to your goals for passive income or even a new career. Let's get into it. I completely understand and I get it. Trading during the regular market hours is often more than you expect. For one, there is a lot of high volatility, meaning that the price movement seems to be a lot faster than the OTC, over the counter, and your setups seem to reverse at the last minute. First off, here are the trading times during normal market times, especially if you're trading only the Forex pairs. Please write them down and keep this next to your computer or whatever device you're using. Now, you can prepare for this market by doing a couple things. We're going back to the economic calendar. It shows us which pairs are going to have a lot of volatility when you see 3 stars next to it. You will have to filter through it, go to the bottom, select 3 stars, let it populate, and it will show you which pairs are going to have high volatility for the day. That's it. And here's another one. Check out this website, Live Charts. It will show you which currency pairs are the strongest and weakest for the day, and it's updated every 24 hours, and it even gives you an example if you click right here. Do not sleep on this and make sure that you add it to your trading sessions. Next up, let's not forget, right inside the broker you have some additional help. Click on your profile, then go to trading history, scroll all the way down to trader recommendations, and you will see this page. Voila! It's giving you what assets are currently profitable for the day when you log in to trade, and the most accurate signals. Use these to your advantage. And for those who may not know, these are the major currency pairs most traders use during the regular markets. Write them down. So either way, the bottom line is brace yourself for high volatility during the regular market hours and be as prepared as you can. You are also going to have a sharp eagle eye on every setup you take. In other words, make sure you get all your confirmations, look for those uptrends and downtrends, analyze your overbought and oversold situations. The more your eyes become familiar with looking for candlestick setups and understanding price movement, the easier your session will become, and hopefully you will experience more wins. Pay attention to the payouts. I've seen it where one stock might start at 88%, and after the trade is done, it's now 45%. So that's not good if you decide to take a trade after winning or losing one. You've just now taken a trade that has a lower payout, more than you thought, and now you're losing even more money. Most times you can tell there's a high volatility in the market when, again, the price movement seems to be moving very aggressively. So what's that say to you? Dive in with caution or come back later. Me personally, it's no fun getting whipped out of a trade when you knew for sure that it was going your way. And lastly, always have a well thought out plan for your trading session. Know how many trades you want to take. What day do you want to trade? What time do you want to trade? What is your ultimate goal? What are you trying to make? $100 a day, $100 a week? But either way, have some type of plan. Don't go in it blind because you will be thoroughly disappointed. Another thing, as I've always said over and over, do not overtrade. If you've won 5 straight, that's great. Maybe you need to take a break and come back a little bit later or come back tomorrow. The fact of the matter is that you can win 5 straight in a row, really only 1, you should congratulate yourself because you are now understanding how to find the setups and how to take the trades. Now, on to a strategy that you can use during the regular markets that can hopefully bring you some more wins. So these are all things that you can do prior to getting into your trading session for the day. Make sure you tick off each one of these tips that I'm sharing so you can reduce your losses and get more wins. Now, we've tried these trades before. I will do a couple more using these settings to see how easily and clearly it is to identify your entries, especially in a high volatility market. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you turn on your notifications so you get my videos each and every day. Smash that like button, leave a comment, and I'll see you on the next one.